Hey, Promise Life team, let's talk about lime vitality. Lime is one of the most mysterious of all of the citrus fruits, which is kind of funny because we're so familiar with lime that it doesn't seem mysterious to us at all. But the origin of lime is really unknown. They think it might have been grown in Indonesia or Southeast Asia as early as 1000 CE or BC, but they really don't know exactly where lime comes from. And what's also really interesting, we've talked about the citrus fruits, and the way that they get the lime essential oil is by taking the rind of the fruit and cold pressing it, right? Taking this super powerful press and just squeezing all of those rinds down so that those juices flow out. So when you take a lime and you zest it in your kitchen, all of that moisture, all those oils that go bursting out of the little pods in the rind, those are the essential oils. That's exactly what gets captured and put into this bottle. But what is so interesting about lime that is not like any of the other citrus fruits, as you know, oranges and limes and grapefruits, they all turn to this lovely, sunny, bright orange and yellow, but limes stay green. And they actually harvest the limes and they take the rinds off of the fruit before they are ripe. And the reason why is because of the three main constituents are greater in an unripened lime than they are in a ripened lime, and these are limonene, gamma-terpene, and beta-pinene. You guys can go and look those up, okay? So of course it doesn't turn to the yellow because of the constituents that are in it. So lime vitality is very also unique in its burst of flavor that it brings to things. This is a really great thing to keep in the kitchen. It's amazing for cooking, guys. How many times I have gone into the kitchen and not had a lime that was ready to do, whether it was guacamole or make a margarita or any myriad of things that you would use lime for your cooking. Mexican cooking, taco seasoning, fajitas, whatever. There's all kinds of great ideas and recipes on the Young Living website. But this is really a great tool to have in your kitchen because you may not always have a fresh lime to use or fresh lime juice, but you can always have an essential oil bottle on hand. That's why the Vitality line is so wonderful. Not to mention that you can, of course, drop in your water and it tastes amazing, and you can drink water all day long and it just adds a little punch of flavor. One drop is all you need. Gorgeous oil for diffusing. It is so uplifting. It is one of the lovely scents that you find in Citrus Fresh. What else can I tell you? You can take lime as a dietary supplement. Just take a drop and put it in a little gel cap with some carrier oil and swallow that down, because this is Lime Vitality. The white label means it's been approved by the Food and Drug Administration for internal consumption. So that's awesome. Again, on berries and guacamole, I mean, there's endless ways to use Lime Vitality. So you guys are going to love this little bottle.